Hi, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking crude oil, which settled up $1.27 today, 47.63. I'm sorry, 47.23 was the settlement price, and that is based on still extending refinery trouble, but there's a little bit of a light at the end of the tunnel. The refinery trouble extended into Louisiana now, where you've got two refineries specifically, one the largest in the country, producing 600,000 barrels of refined product, another 200,000 barrels. We've now got approximately 23% of the U.S. refinery capacity down. So that pushed crude oil down for the last few days, 6% drop in the month of August as we finish out the month. But again, today we got a little bit of a rebound. Now, part of that being the damage assessments are starting to come in. And we've got three refineries in that refinery corridor between Corpus Christi and Houston that are starting to re-up and tool up to get back running again. Now, they're smaller refineries, and it is a staged process. So it's going to take more than a few days to get those refineries up, and they're not going to make up for the 800,000 barrels we're losing in Louisiana. But with a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel, you could see some alleviation of the crude oil price in terms of the pounding that it's taken, the nightmare for OPEC that crude oil has caused by getting back down below 46, eventually again settling today at 47.23. We did have 500,000 barrels of crude oil come out of the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, going to refineries in Louisiana that have remained open. We do have a little bit of a shuttering of some of the shale fields, the Eagle Ford specifically, which could have added to today's rally. But it looks like we're going to start to get those damage assessments in. And short of any things like fires and the like, we had an explosion at a chemical plant this morning in Texas, again, based on flooding. When you're working with products like petrochemicals and gasoline and jet fuel, you can get explosions just cleaning up from an event like Harvey. Now, yesterday we got EIA data, and Harvey definitely overshadowed bullish EIA data. We had an over 5 million barrel draw from the Energy Information Administration. But the API, who is another sort of competing agency, EIA being governmental, API being American Petroleum Institute, talking about these three refineries reopening. But the EIA data was bullish. EIA data for the next few weeks will be kind of pushed aside as the damage assessments for these refineries come in, as well as the pipelines and the shipping lanes out of the Houston ports. So again, crude oil up today, 47.23 on the settlement, up $1.27. This is Bob Iaccino talking crude oil futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.